Now that we've successfully submitted our documentation up to GruntWorx, let's learn how to populate a completed client's files into your UltraTax software. Now we're going to come here to a completed file from GruntWorx. And look here, when we open up the client, we have two files, a bookmark PDF, this is our organization product, and a point sheet, XLS spreadsheet, that's our Populate product. And in our XLS spreadsheet, our point sheet here, listed at the bottom in these tabs, these federal form fields will now be populating, including our trades product, if you chose that detail or summary product, either one, to import into your client's return within the UltraTax software. Now, when you're ready, on this main diagnostics page, we're going to click the Populate button, and that information is going to start flowing into the UltraTax software through the source data entry screen like you see here. And you see that information populating right in front of you. When this is done, it will disappear, and your final step as an UltraTax user is to go in and accept and review the changes that were imported in your client's return from that source data entry screen. After that, you're done. In our next video, we're going to learn how to download completed files that we sent back to you for your records to keep.